It's a really interesting cocktail because, to give it its full name, it would have originally been called the Old Fashioned Whiskey Cocktail, and that's because at some point the whiskey cocktail was evolved into something new, and bartenders started making this in a whole different way. So the Puritans, the people who really liked it the way it was originally, would have ordered it as saying, can I have the old-fashioned way on my whiskey cocktail, the old-fashioned way? And then obviously eventually it just gets shortened into, can I have an old-fashioned? And that's how we've ended up with this drink. Now, the great thing about it is it's not going out of fashion whatsoever. It is in fact enjoying a renaissance, and I'm very glad because it's one of my personal favourites. So the more popular it is, the more bars are serving it, the happier I am. But anyway, let me show you how you make an old-fashioned at home.